channel. I hope that you are all well today. Of course, I am going to be doing a tutorial using my little baby in this video for you guys. Oh, I've got itchy nose. Oh, this is my palette with Obsession. If you guys are interested in watching the swatch and the kind of like story video about how this came about and are just interested in the shade names and stuff, I did post a video last week for you guys on that, and today I'm finally doing a tutorial with it. I'm so excited about this video. I'm so excited to post this video. I'm so excited to edit this video. I'm just going to start editing this video as soon as I've done this. As soon as I've done this intro, it's edit time. This is my baby. This is my new palette with Obsession, which are a part of the Makeup Revolution brand. I have been working on this palette since February. I'm so incredibly proud of it. I'll show you guys the inside of it. So this is just, basically I wanted to create the perfect grunge palette, like the perfect grungy, warm toned eyeshadow palette. I do know that there are so many eyeshadow palettes that have like this kind of colour range in them, but a lot of them aren't affordable, and I really wanted to create this kind of beautiful, rich, warm toned palette but at a super affordable price, and that's exactly what I've done, and I'm so proud of it. I'm so happy that you guys are loving it, and I'm so happy to show you how to get this look with it as well. I did also create a lip set as well, so I'm going to be using the lip set in this video. This is actually my lip that I've got on today. So we've got 2 liquid lipsticks and a lip gloss in here, so yeah, this is my little collaboration. If you are interested in purchasing my palette and my lip gloss set, I will put some links down below in the description box. It is available on revolutionbeauty.com, and it's available to ship internationally as well, so everyone can get their hands on my little bad boys. So yeah, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and without further ado, let's get into it. The bunny ears are out today, guys. This is when you know I mean business, when the bunny headband goes on. I'm going to start off by dipping into the shade Hot Sauce. I think that this is definitely my favourite shade in the palette. I'm so obsessed with this red shade. And I'm going to start by applying this into my crease section here, but I'm not going to blend it out just yet. I just want to stamp that colour in there first. And I'm going to do this by using a Morphe M506 brush. This has been my favourite eye brush recently. I just find that my eyeshadow game has just changed a little bit with this brush. Like I really like using this, and you'll see why in a second. You guys see how pigmented that actually is? Like you really don't need to build up that red shade a lot to get a nice intense colour payoff. Like I'm so proud of this colour. I love it so much. Okay, so then what I'm going to do is, using that same brush, I'm just going to tap off any excess eyeshadow, and now I'm going to start blending that red shade out. I'm not going to add another colour into the crease just yet. I just want to blend that red outwards, and the way that I'm going to do this is I'm just going to turn the brush on its side and then use the side of the brush to just really gently blend that colour outwards, and this shade blends out so beautifully as well. You actually don't even need a transition colour with it because it just blends into a really beautiful pinky shade. So we are going to go back into that crease, but for now I just want to re-intensify that red shade into the crease. Obviously as you blend your crease shade out, it will always fade a little bit, and we want it to be nice and solid and intense. So I'm going to take more of that Hot Sauce shade using the same brush and just apply that back into the crease. So we're just kind of repeating the first step over again, and then I'm just very softly blending that outwards. Now I'm going to be carving out the lid, and I'm going to do this with my Tarte Shape Tape. This concealer is amazing for cut creases because it is just so pigmented. And then I'm also going to be using my Zoeva 237 Detail Shade Brush. Now I'm going to be going in with a little bit of Glow Baby, and I'm going to be applying this into the inner section of my eye, just straight over the top of that concealer. Then I'm going to take my little Morphe M506 again. So in total, We've only used 3 brushes so far. And I'm going to be dipping into the shade So Cute, which is the cute pink shade, of course. And I'm going to start applying this into the center of the lid. But the way that I'm going to apply this is I'm almost going to create a winged shape with this. I'm just going to start gently blending that pink into the inner lid shade, which is the Glow Baby shade. So then we are going to dip into this shade here called Queen. So this is a deeper burgundy. It's kind of got like little gold glitter flecks in it. I'm going to start packing Queen into the outer corner of my eye. Okay, so I've just changed my lens over. I actually prefer filming with this lens because I feel like I can talk to the camera a little bit easier. I did also add a liner to the top lash line as well, so I used this one from NYX. This is one of the NYX Vivid Bright liners in the shade Vivid Fire. I actually really like this liner. I haven't used it in so long, so definitely had to come out and play today. So the glitter that I am using today is from Revolution, and this is the shade Hall of Fame. So it's kind of like a pinky red glitter. I'm basically just going to pop that straight along that liner, and I'm actually attaching this with the LA Splash Midnight Elixir as well. Oh, it's so pretty! Oh. I definitely need to do my lower lash line, but I'm gonna put some lashes on first because I need some lashes in my life. So I'm gonna pop on some of my Lily Lashes Faux Mink Miami, my fave lashes. For my lower lash line, I'm going to use this eye pencil from Urban Decay. This is from a limited collection. This was the Jean-Michel Basquiat, I think is how you say it, collection. So, and this is the shade Anatomy. Obviously this was limited edition, so I don't know if they have this exact one anymore, but they do definitely have a red eyeliner shade. I think they brought it out with the Naked Heat palette, and it's pretty similar to this one. To be honest, any kind of like red, like reddish eye pencil will do for this. So I'm just going to put this in my waterline. Oh, I have hiccups so bad. Look at that eye pencil. I just love this red eye pencil. It just makes me so happy. To blend the eye pencil out, I'm just going to take this pencil brush from Zoeva. This is the 230 pencil brush, and I'm just going to run that along the lash line there. Just buff that pencil outwards. Then we're going to dip back into that hot sauce shade and just kind of run that straight over the top of that eye pencil there. And then of course we've got that black on the outer corner as well. So I'm going to take a little bit of Lola, and then I'm just going to run that black on the outer corner of that lower lash line. Oh, I just love this look. Do you know when you're like so happy with your eye makeup and you just keep looking at it and you're like, oh. So to finish off the eye, I'm going to take some of Glow Baby, and I'm going to be popping this onto my brow bone. I am also going to put some of this pigment onto my inner corner. This one is Pixie. This is from Peaches Makeup. I love their pigments so much. Like, they're so gorgeous. So this one is going to go on my inner corner today. Oh! So I'm just going to very quickly finish off my skin, and then you know it, we're going to be going in with my lip shades. So for my bronzer today, I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Rosewood bronzer, and this brush is a Morphe Y4. It's kind of like an angled bronzer brush. I actually love this brush for bronzer. It's really nice. Then I'm also going to add a teeny little bit of blush. This one is Milani Luminoso, and I'm just going to pop that on the cheeks there. So, last but definitely not least, I am going to be applying my lip shades. I love my lip shades so much. These are like my perfect nudes. There's actually 2 liquid lipsticks in here and a lip gloss. But first of all, I am just going to quickly line my lips with my NYX nude beige lip pencil. This is kind of like my daily lip pencil. I pretty much put this on with everything. This is just a staple for me. So you don't have to use lip pencil, you can use them on your own, but I pretty much always wear lip pencil. So I'm going to use this one today. I'm not really sure what lipstick to use. I don't know if to go for like the pinky one or the more nudie one. I'm gonna go with nude. I don't know. My favourite way of applying the liquid lipsticks is pretty much the same way that I apply all liquid lipsticks. I pretty much just swipe across my lips. And what I like to do is just take my finger and blend everything in. The reason I like to apply liquid lipstick like this is because I just prefer the way it looks. I think it just looks a little bit softer and it just kind of blends into the lip pencil. It lasts longer on my lips as well, and I just find that I don't have to touch it up as much when I apply it like this. And also because we are going to put a gloss on the top, so I don't want that product to be like too thick on the lips either. Then we are going to apply Ditzy gloss over the top. This looks really, really, really peachy in the tube, but when you apply it, it's just like such a pretty peachy nude gloss. So let's put this on. Can you see? Oh, I just love it. Now we're done, I'm just going to set everything with a little bit of my Urban Decay Chill Setting Spray. Woo! Make it rain! Okay, so we are done, and this is the final look for you guys. I really hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you have enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave, and I will see you on my next video. What?